Hi, everyone. So, I am not happy to report that I literally, the whole time that my husband and I are arriving to Paris, I was like, be careful with your phone, be careful with your stuff. There's pickpocketers in Paris, blah, blah, blah. Guess who got pickpocket? Me. And my phone is gone. And thank goodness it was my phone and not my wallet or my purse or literally anything else, because I do have everything that is very valuable there. And my phone is easily replaceable, but it's like, it's still my phone, and I just got it, and I'm so sad. But thank the Lord that we have his phone for directions and for videos and pictures and all that. But and I saw it, and we both felt it too when it was happening, because we got into the metro, and I went and I just put in my phone for a second to grab the handrail. And this dude was just like staring at me. And then when I went back in my pocket to look for my phone, I was like, where's my phone? And then he got out on the very next exit. So it was him, the dude standing next to me. If you're watching this, I hate you with everything I have.
It isn't much, because he just took it.
Yeah. But I can't believe this. This is awful. Awful.
Alright, now give me my phone.
Now, one thing that I want to say is that I am very grateful that it wasn't my purse. I mean, yes, having your phone stolen sucks, absolutely. But thankfully, I have, with my carrier, I have an insurance plan. I always would get the insurance plan just because I'd be so nervous that, like, something would happen one day, and thankfully this was the one day that something happened, because I had that insurance plan for like a while, and I was like, ugh. And this time around, when I got my phone in January, because I had just gotten my phone, I was like, do I really need the insurance plan? And then I was like, and something told me, something was like, yeah, get it. And I got the insurance plan, and thankfully I got back, here's my phone again. This is not the same case I had. I wish I had the same case, but I had to still pay a fee of like $300, which still sucks because you're in a different country and you just got your phone stolen. But at the same time, I understand you're not paying the same price of what the phone would be worth. So I understand that, but it was just kind of like, I just got my phone stolen. I don't want to pay $300. But the point of this video is just to show what my bag holds, because... So here's my bag, and this is the same bag I had with me in Paris. This is everything that's in this bag does not change. It always remains constant and the same. So I want to show you all what's in this bag of mysteries, just because, again, I was very thankful that it wasn't my bag that was taken, and I'm going to show you what's in this bag. So there's two zippers. It's a nice little Kate Spade bag. And in this bag I have, so obviously I have my wallet. So this is same wallet and everything I was using in London, Paris, and Barcelona. Now the only difference is that I did take out my Metro card from Paris, Barcelona, and London. I only have my New York ones right now. So that's the only thing that's different. But this is my wallet. Now the other thing, what do I have? Oh, I have a pen. I always want to have a pen handy just because you never know when you're going to need a pen, whether it's on a plane and they're handing out forms, especially when COVID was like peak time, they would hand out forms and you had to complete everything. Or if you're traveling internationally, or if you're just like somewhere at a bank or somewhere that you need a pen. Usually banks have pens, but if you're somewhere and you need a pen, I always have a pen. Or if someone's like needing to fill out a card, I always have a pen. I've had this in here for a while. So I worked an event last year in Orlando, and it was a EDC event, so I guess I've had this in there for quite a while. Another thing I always keep around, and this was a huge lifesaver in Europe as well, is a portable charger. So I usually like this one just because I always used to have like the cutesy little ones, and those always like died after a bit. But this one, I absolutely love it just because it's rechargeable. It lasts like all day long, even like the next day. And you can see by the little, let me turn it on. it dead? Oh, it's on. Okay. So you can see it still has some life to it from the last time I charged it. So I always keep this on, especially like if I go to the city, my phone uses up so quickly in the sense of like I'm taking pictures, I'm using like internet, I'm just using my phone. So you'd never want to be in a city without a phone, or, well, unless it gets pickpocketed in Paris. But you never want to be without a phone in a sense for like directions or emergencies. So it's very important to have one of these. And especially in Europe, after my phone got pickpocketed, we needed to charge my husband's phone because we were both using it, with like me for pictures and him for like a game or just like directions. So that was very important. Okay, so in the first pocket, nothing else. Now in the second pocket is where pretty much everything is. Okay, now the second pocket, I always have hand sanitizer handy just because we need hand sanitizer. Come on. The world is pretty dirty. So we need hand sanitizer. This one specifically I got in Hawaii, and I just love the smell of it. Obviously, you don't have to get this one in Hawaii. They probably sell it at CVS in different places, but I just love that it reminds me of Hawaii because of like the beachy smell. Chapstick. I always make sure I have chapstick in my purse, especially living in New York. It's winter, your lips get chapped a lot. I always make sure I have Advil. My husband and I are known to get like chronic migraines, so we need Advil. Gum. This gum's been through it, but I always gum, especially like mint, spearmint flavored gum, is really good for migraines. And so if you have like a migraine, or if you just, your breath's got stuff going on, gum. Another thing. Oh, I have lotion. Oh, this one's almost open. I got lotion. I got more lotion. Again, this is always like this. I have, this is a little like aromatherapy, little like perfumey thingy. So whenever I'm feeling a little stressed out, I like to like rub a little bit of this on my little, I forget wrist. I was going to say muñeca, which is how you say it in Spanish. Then I have this little lip color right here. Whenever I want to add a little bit of color on my day. What is this? Oh, this is our hotel in Paris. That was a sticker from there. This little thing, I got it in Epcot in Disney World like a few years ago, and I love it. Usually I put some like of my medication in here. This I've had on here for a while, so basically like a year and a half. I got this pen when my husband and I went to Disney for the first time together, and this was February of 2021. Tampon. Another thing I have is I always carry around a nice little perfume because you want to smell good. And also, this is just my favorite perfume, Miss Dior. So I have this to like relax, this when, you want to smell nice. This is from Halloween, but I don't remember. Oh, I think I got it in like a Kinder egg. I love Kinder eggs, if you all didn't know. What else? This is where we get to like the random stuff. Okay, COVID cards. I have mine and my husband's laminated. What else? I have random cards in here. Oh, this is from when we went to Versailles. I forgot I had our tickets here. So we went to Versailles in Paris. And yeah, this is the part where we get to random cards. That's what's in my bag, and that's why it was very, very important for me not to lose my bag, just because I truly have everything I need in here. And having my husband's phone really was a lifesaver in the sense of not just directions, but also I love taking pictures and videos. And I was hoping to do and take so many videos for my YouTube channel, but again, pickpocketers. What can we do? Aside from that, I'm very excited to get to bring to you all a lot of content next week and hopefully put together something of our trip. Again, I don't have too many videos because my phone did get stolen, but what I do have, I will make something fun. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and comment below what you would like to see. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. I love you all, and thank you so much for tuning in.